Good afternoon, guys. This is a lure from China. I bought it in Shopee for squid. I'll give it to the legendary fisherman bar village. He likes catching squid in the open ocean. And this lure also, I will give it to him because I use it and I cannot catch fish. Maybe only the legendary catch fish and see become rusty. So rusty hook, yeah. So maybe if I store it, become a problem. So better other will use this one. So it is a strike pro lure. Thank you.